Okay, so welcome to a trade recap video after a long time. I was kind of demotivated, to be honest, because of my microphone quality not turning out right. But it seems today, after testing out a couple of times, the recording volume is much better. So I feel that I ought to record today's trading performance journal of today's trading so far. So actually, as a matter of fact, I was observing a few trade setups, but I missed most of them. And today was a great day, and it's just a fantastic day. I wish I had used it much more proactively. So basically, what happened was the usual CRT setup played out for quite a few of the USD pairs. And on top of that, we had the manipulation candle playing out to give us yet another, correlated factor, I should say. So making these trades A plus plus quality. Okay, so here we are, the manipulation candle. This is pound USD, another manipulation candle, and both of them just before the start of the London session. And the target is, of course, the middle of this particular CRT candle. Reminding ourselves that the CRT candles are the yellow candles. We don't follow any other candle as our CRT candle. It has to be a yellow candle. Now, if we have the manipulation candle as our trigger on top of the CRT formation, then that is an added bonus, which makes it an A double plus setup. So pound USD, euro USD gave us that, and also the pound JPY, pound Aussie, not so much. Aussie USD, nothing going on. Pound New Zealand, no, nothing. New Zealand dollar perhaps had something. I think it did. Just not loading up. There you go. It just didn't trigger. But yes, that had a setup as well. And then, of course, pound New Zealand. I don't remember seeing anything. Oh, no, there was. Is that pound New Zealand? No, that's pound CAD, actually. So pound New Zealand, nothing. Yeah, pound CAD, perfect setup. And this is the only one that I took. And I actually took out 50% right at this level because it was already at 7RR. And one would feel gutted if it just went back to hit the break-even point and therefore take out the trade when we would have had nothing out of it if we hadn't taken this slice out, if we hadn't sliced out at this level. So this was TP1 and this is TP2. So TP1 was hit, as you can see, giving us a 7RR, rate of return. And so we're just waiting for this to, reach, which is TP2, which is the real target, actually, as it were, because that's the 50% of the CRT level. We're not even going down to 75%, yeah? So that would yield 10.73, as you can see. Now, at this moment, it's looking to go, towards our break-even point. And there is that slither of hope that this FVG would act as a cushion to project the price back down towards our take profit level. Now, with the USD CAD, there was really nothing much going on. Well, actually, no, I beg your pardon. There was something that went on, but I wasn't there at the time this trade should have triggered. Alas, we just have to be, patient with this kind of thing because this is just an ongoing phenomenon of trading which really tests your patience, your perseverance, your ability in your mind to just take a deep breath and relax and say to yourself that, look, there's always tomorrow. We'll get back. But potentially today was a fantastic day. It would have given us a phenomenal return had we acted upon all of these pairs that triggered a trade for us. So with gold and silver, nothing. With Euro Aussie, also nothing. And with Euro Kiwi, again, nothing much going on. Or nothing much went on, I should say. And with Euro CAD, same situation. With pound Swiss, think that was something going on, but I have to double check. Just waiting for the chart to load. So it looks as though, so this wasn't a CRT trade, this was a manipulation candle trade. So remember, these are the two strategies we're following, the MC format, which is the manipulation candle, and CRT, which is a candle range theory. So, and then if we have both of them playing out together, then that's just a dream come true, which is what happened today with the USD pairs. So that's it for now. I shall update you with the result of this, perhaps with tomorrow's video. But as far as today's video is concerned, I think that is it. Each of them, because of the fact CRT, I mean, look at this beauty. This was just tremendous. If we had, this is pound USD, right? So if we had entered, just to show you how much of a lolly this was, how much of a perfect setup this was, So this is the hour before the London session. This is the first hour of the London session. And so if we had just entered, based on this BPR setup, right? So let's say if we had placed our entry at this 38% retracement level and put our stop loss at the end of the range, which is 0%, and then if we had just gone down to the 50% level, which is just over here, always leaving a bit of a breathing space. It's not exactly the 50%, just above it. This would have yielded a nice 8.92. Perfect. It doesn't get much better than this, right? But we missed out on it. We weren't there to place this trade. But it's okay, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that it's part of the game. We're going to take our trades with some, we're going to miss out on the others, and we just live with it and continue. And it's good that way because it just shows us that we don't live in a perfect world where everybody will be able to catch every single setup. And that's precisely why we're only following 16 pairs, right? 16 pairs that we can monitor closely. And as long as we're on the charts, we can catch them without having to lose out, because anything more than 16, I feel, would be spreading our attention span far too thin. Even 16 is a bit of a stretch, but it's doable. But at this time, I was actually away from my computer, so therefore I couldn't see it. But this is how it is. I shall end the video for now. Thanks for watching and staying with us. Feel free to leave any comments, any reflections, what you liked, what you didn't like, the whole shebang, So until the next time, take care and God bless.